Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into another suspension item for the 3rd gen Camaro. If you guys haven't, stay tuned for the update on the Camaro. I've done some suspension first look videos. We also will have a video on the new Sunoco hood and Aero catch hood pins installed, so those will be coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoy that content, but we have a lot of other suspension stuff and kind of one-off parts that we're going to be installing on the Camaro, and I'll be able to share that information with you guys in those videos, so stay tuned for that. But today we're going to be looking at the caster camber plates from Founders Performance, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I'll share as much of the information, specs, pricing, and all of that with you guys as I can, and stay tuned for the install video as well. We're going to be doing a separate install video for all of these suspension components, so if you guys are doing something similar, hopefully those videos will help. But let's get into this and let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys enjoy, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. So what we're looking at here is the Founders adjustable caster camber plates for the Camaro and Firebird. So I'll try and have the Founders Performance website linked down in the description, and then I'll also have a Amazon link for other items that I've purchased for the Camaro if you guys are interested. So this works for 82 to 92. It's for the front suspension, obviously. So this right now has 5 stars from Founders. It's one of the most affordable and best caster camber plates on the market, so it's definitely a good option if you guys are considering it. There's a lot from UMI and all of those, but Founders is definitely a good option to look at, so it's at least worth looking at before making your purchase, because these can get fairly expensive. These run $186, and you get to select whether you want them in red or black. I chose red because of that's kind of my accent color as far as my engine bay. So these are basically allowing you to take control of your vehicle's front suspension. The website goes on to talk about the Founders Performance plates replace the stock rubber strut mount bushings with a stainless steel spherical bearing, allowing you full control of the suspension geometry, whether you want your alignment set up for the track or the street strip, anything like that. And these plates allow you to fine-tune your suspension, both the caster and camber, independently from each other. So if you need to do that, you can really fine-tune your suspension. And then the bearing mounts are completely adjustable and are 100% pulse MIG welded for the ultimate strength, durability, and fit. They also feature the special stainless steel replaceable Teflon lined spherical bearing for a noise-free quality ride. And then the main plate, the old version, had a tendency of bending. The new system is upgraded and does carry a lifetime warranty on the main plate. So they are CNC laser cut main plates using 5/16 high strength steel, easily adjustable for street and race applications, replaceable super high strength heat treated stainless steel Teflon lined spherical bearing, powder coated in your choice, and the bearing is raised for fitment with lowered vehicles, and it comes supplied with all new grade 8 or higher hardware. So that's basically all the information they share with you on their website. You also get the mount that comes up from the bottom of your wheel well through these mounting plates, and then you also get supplied all of the hardware to mount these, as well as the inner portion that is adjustable. You get all of the hardware for that as well. So it's definitely high quality stuff, very clean. And then these may be a little stiff when you first get them from sitting in the same location, the spherical bearing. So you just need to take, like I took a 3/8 extension and kind of broke that loose, and they're still going to be stiff. They're meant to be tight, but not extremely tight. So just make sure that's not bound up or anything like that before installing. But very clean piece there. And then I already showed you the mount for underneath that just have the grade 8 hardware kind of tack welded onto the bracket, so then you can feed that up from the bottom and you put your washer and nut on the top side of this plate. It is powder coated very nicely. Mine did get a little bit of rubbing here during shipment, but nothing too bad that I'm going to worry about. And they are all welded internally here. externally on the top. Now I can say that the cup is welded a little bit differently on each one of these. You can kind of see how the plate is cut on here. Sorry, everything's covered in fiberglass from me cutting holes in my hood. So the design is a little bit different on the top of this mount. Most people wouldn't really catch that, but it is just slightly different on each one. Nothing that I'm going to worry about. So that's really it as far as the components. I will have an install video on these, so stay tuned for that. It's very simple, but I'm also going to be doing coilovers and new A-arms and steering components and all of that. So it's going to be a long day of recording multiple different videos in one video and trying to break them up. But stay tuned. I will show you how to install the caster camber plates. And that's really it as far as the first look, kind of unboxing the specs, the pricing, and all of that. Real short video today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. But once again, stay tuned for those future videos where we install all of these suspension components. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.